Let's go, Sophia. Alright, guys. Tama na.
1, 2, 3. Look at here. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yes, there you go. Sa Walmart Orchids.
1, 2, 3. Sophie, look at here.
Ano ka, ulano na siya. Sir, nanguha sila dire. Larang gikaon, sir. Wag sila gikuan. Ayan, napuno na siya. Ang daghan kaya nahulog. Ayan guys, isang punuan lang yan. Thank you for watching.
Who's bigger now with the tummy?
1 point. We're equal.
And it's cute.
Hey.
Kasara ning uwan, mahugtang na tanan ba? Para hindi siya mahulog na marako. Diba? Ayan. O, tama na yan. Baka magbayad ka ng ano, over. Excess luggage. Sabihin ko, hindi po ako kumain doon, sir. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Yun. Over-excess na siguro to.
Over-excess.
Over-excess. Over pa. Excess pa. Ayan, guys. Dami. Sayang ng hulog. Diba? Kainin ko. Parang sira naman ito kasi. Tapos.
Oh no! Why? Yeah. What?
I'm thinking I'm gonna ask my boss.
Ang sama ng imuhan, day.
Ako slow mo tapos ipisa na ko. Yeah. Yeah.
Mangayon ikaw, humaya magkaon.
There's this new policy that they're like they're
Humaya magkaon, manguli na ta.
all government workers.
Yes, they want it 3 days a week.
That's so. Yeah, I know. Yeah, exactly.
Don't close the fence.
That too. Because like
Pila ka kaadlaw?
I understand.
Pila ka ka-oras mo kinaon sa usa ka punaan?
It doesn't like make sense.
Ha?
Pila ka oras?
Dughan.
Pila ka oras dikan? Dugay mo na.
Dughan.
Oh, that's the worst. So you only get to one day.
Ay, urge ko.
Wala nataghan kay muli na tag. Kasi paninglan natagdaghan.
Tongue check din. Tongue check. Don't worry, that's not a secret. Oh, I heard Kelly told you not to wear hiking shoes. Yeah. You can bring them.
Ayan, guys.
I was like, am I walking?
Thank you for watching.
You're good. You might be walking, so I would say just
Okay. And then she's like, no.
bring a bathing suit.
Oh, okay. She did say that. And I was like, oh, am I bringing like a dress?
Yeah.
She's like, yeah, you can bring a
Thank you
dress.
for
Bring a few clothes, your
watching.
camera,
God
a bathing suit.
bless.
Hey.